wanted to try something new for me, some router bowls. This project was inspired by my wife, who wanted a couple of trays to serve condiments to our dining table for all those fancy parties we throw. The trays are a simple design, and I am real pleased with them. I had a leftover slab of wood, so I decided to try a Santa hat too, with limited success, I might add. I made this quick, oversized base for my router to route out the interior profile. It is okay, but I think I can do better. I was going to add hardware handles, actually drawer pulls, but in the end I went with pure wood design, and I am glad I did. Here is an absolutely amazing unobstructed shot of me cutting out the handles and rounding the corners. You don't get this kind of stuff out of Hollywood. Woohoo! Every woodworker's favorite part of a project, sanding. And then, this is even better, hand sanding. So with the success of the trays, I decided to make a Santa hat. I first drew out my design, being careful to leave room for a router bit on the inside corners. Then I made a template out of a piece of plywood. This was my second attempt at making a router guide for the interiors. The success of this was indeed less than stellar. I am currently designing my try number 3 to be released sometime in the future. There were some cracks on the back, so I filled them with a sawdust and superglue paste. I mixed mineral spirits with some oil-based red paint. This method will thin down the paint to the point where it basically stains the wood but does not actually cover it. Remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.